In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with Instagram with zero investment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So as you know, Instagram is huge. There's a lot of people making money with Instagram, and if you know exactly what to do, you can also make easily an extra $50, $100 per day by using affiliate marketing. So what I'm going to do in this video is explain to you step by step how you can utilize Instagram to build an affiliate business that pays you $100 per day by utilizing a very specific set of steps. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, this is basically when you promote other people's products and they pay you a commission when you refer a sale. I'm going to show you how you can do that by building niche specific Instagram pages that allow you to monetize your audience, your followers over and over again. But before we do that, what I want you to do is to download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It's completely free. It'll teach you how to actually make money with affiliate marketing in many different ways. This is what I personally use to make a full-time income online with affiliate marketing. You can utilize the same exact techniques and strategies that I'm using to actually implement an affiliate marketing business and make a full-time income online as well. So what I'm going to do is break down this video into two parts. One is going to be how you actually make money promoting affiliate offers inside of Instagram. I'm going to show you a quick example of how you can do that so you can get the entire concept and you understand what you're going to be doing. The second part is how to grow an Instagram page, a specific niche-based Instagram page, so you can utilize the first method to monetize your page and make more money. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. And so I'm going to be using Dogs of Instagram, which is a very large Instagram page in the topics of dogs and sharing videos and pictures about dogs. And this is a perfect example of how you can use this, how you can utilize this method to grow a very large Instagram page and be able to make money by promoting from time to time different affiliate offers. So the main thing about this method is that you need to select a niche which allows you to grow quite fast. And I'm going to talk about how you can grow an Instagram page from scratch utilizing this same example, and hopefully you can use this without having to invest any money whatsoever, without having to pay for shoutouts or do any type of paid tool. So this page has 4.5 million followers, and as you can see, each of those pictures have a lot of comments and a lot of likes from people who basically love dogs. So that tells you that there are people who have a dog or most likely really like dogs. And so what we need to find is affiliate offers that would fit this audience and that we can promote to this audience. And with a very large page with 4.5 million followers, if you get a 1% or 0.5% conversion rate on any affiliate offer that you can promote, you could easily make a few $1,000s per month doing this. Now, that doesn't mean that you need 4.5 million followers to make money with this method. What it means is that if you can build a large Instagram page to 5,000, 10,000, 50,000 followers, then you can easily make $100 per day by finding the right affiliate offers. So in the case of Dogs of Instagram, if we go to an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, you can typically find a lot of digital products that you can promote in that specific niche. And like I said, the main thing that you need to keep in mind is in what niche you're going to be launching your Instagram page. If you want to talk about dogs, you can launch an Instagram page about dogs. If you want to talk about dating, if you want to talk about weight loss, if you want to talk about cats, if you want to talk about traveling, whatever page you want to build, you have to keep in mind that you will need to monetize that page later with affiliate offers in that specific niche. So you can't just launch any page and then just try to figure out exactly how you're going to monetize it later. You need to do it before you actually create the page. This is a perfect example. If I just type dog on ClickBank, you'll see that we get some dog training secrets which pay $30 per sale. So if you get 3 sales per day, 4 sales per day, you're making over $100 per day with this product alone. So if you had 20,000 followers on Instagram in the dog niche and you promoted this in your stories, for example, you could easily get a few thousand clicks to that offer and you can generate some sales. Then we have some more products here. Dog breeding secrets, you can see $300 on average for that sale. Then we got another one, brain training for dogs, $31. So there's a lot of different digital products in regards to dogs, and there's also a ton of affiliate programs out there. So identifying how you're going to monetize your page before you create your page would allow you to find the right affiliate programs and the right affiliate products that you want to promote once you get your Instagram page to 5,000, 10,000 followers. Now the big question is, of course, how do I grow a big Instagram page with no money? How do I grow it to 5,000, 10,000 followers? And that's what we're going to talk about next. So hopefully by now you understand how the concept works. It's quite simple. You simply build an Instagram page on a very niche specific topic. So for example, you can pick dogs, cats, you can pick dating, you can pick weight loss, you can pick any topic that you want, which later allows you to monetize with affiliate offers. And you can pick affiliate offers from ClickBank, you can pick affiliate offers from many different sources that provide affiliate programs. But remember, what you want to do is before you create your page, you want to know exactly how much money is in that niche. What I mean by that is finding out what affiliate offers are available in that niche. So when you do spend the time building that page, you have a good idea on how much money you can make from affiliate offers. So let's go to part 2, which is exactly how to grow that Instagram page to a few thousand followers. And the best way to do that is by using follow for follow. That's mainly because it doesn't cost you any money. You can use this technique 15-20 minutes per day to build a very laser targeted following on your page if you know how to locate other big pages in that niche. So using this same page as an example, step 1 is to locate a huge page or multiple pages in your niche. So let's say that we're gonna be building a page about dogs. So the first thing is we would locate at least 10, 15, 20 different dog pages that have over 100,000 followers in our niche, and we're gonna follow those pages, all of those pages, and we're gonna turn notifications for all of those pages. Step 2 is to start following people who are liking the content being posted on those big pages. You don't want to follow the people who are following those pages. You only want to follow people who are engaging with the content being posted on those pages. So what you want to do is click on the number of likes that specific, or the last post that they posted on their page, and that's going to give you a list of all the people who have liked their page. Which brings us to step number 3, which is where you start following all the people who like that specific post on that page. And the reason why you want to do that is because you know those people are active, those people are engaged in your niche, and they're liking those posts, and you know that once you actually start following those people, you have a higher chance of them following you back because they're active on Instagram. And the most important aspect is that they're actively engaging and liking content that's related to your page. What you want to do is spend just 15-20 minutes per day just following as many people as you can, perhaps following 100 to 200 people per day max. That way you're not raising any flags with Instagram, and basically a percentage of those people will actually follow you back. Once you have been doing this for a week, 2 weeks, and you've been following people on a daily basis, and you start getting some followers back, what you want to do is remove all the people who are not following you back. And then you start the process all over again until you hit 5, 6, 7,000 followers. To unfollow people who are not following you back, there's a bunch of tools. You can go on Google and you can type, unfollowing people on Instagram. There's a bunch of tools that can show you how to do that and can do that for you automatically. So once you get to a point where you have, 7,000, 8,000 followers, the content itself needs to be good enough for you to start getting organic reach and start getting organic followers. You want to do this just to get enough of a boost to start getting your content to rank on Instagram for different hashtags to get people to discover your page. Once you get to a point where you have 5,000, 8,000 followers, from there the content itself that you're posting on your page should be enough to get you to 10,000 followers and more. And the reason why you want to get to 10,000 followers is because from that point on, you can utilize stories to send direct traffic to your affiliate offers. And you can do this maybe once a week, where you can promote one affiliate offer per week, and you can test different affiliate offers to see which ones actually generate the most traffic, and utilize different affiliate products and services to see which ones actually pay you the most money. What type of content are you going to post on your page in order to grow? Like the page we're using in this example, 95% of the content that they post is user generated, meaning that someone else is sending them pictures and you'll tag that person in their post, and as a result, they'll get some followers. You can do the exact same thing. What you want to do is you go to the comment section of the picture that you want to use, and you can say something like, hey, can I use this picture in my page? I'm gonna make sure to tag you in that post so you can get credit for this page and perhaps get you some followers from my page. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people who don't mind that you're using their content, as long as you actually provide a credit, or you post a link, or you tag them in that post. So you can utilize this method to find hundreds of images and pictures and videos on Instagram that you can repost on your page, and you can tag them, and you can utilize this method to grow your page. This is exactly how this page grew to 4.5 million followers, and this is how you can grow an Instagram page to hundreds of thousands of likes and utilize it to make money on Instagram. This is something that needs consistent daily action. Here are the steps that you need to keep in mind. Number one, find a niche that has multiple affiliate offers that can pay you $25, $30, $50 per sale. Number two, build that page. Number three, locate pages in that specific niche or topic that has over 100,000 followers, and be sure to follow the people who are liking their content. Number four, unfollow people who are not following you back at the end of the week. Number five, post daily consistent content, and then promote affiliate offers maybe once or twice per week, and then grow your page from that point on to a point where you can generate thousands and thousands of clicks to any affiliate offer that you want. So guys, I really do hope that you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.